Order partially filled. Order filled.
So I'm just doing a pre-market trade on AMC. I entered short entry on 1316. I added, but when I saw it's bouncing back, I uh, removed the add, and then moment I saw it's coming back down, I added into my partial. I took my first partial here, and I wanted to see either to touch 1350 or 1340 for my to take my next partial, and if it's gonna go over 1285, I'm gonna take the rest of the out too, because market is 15 minutes to close. I don't want to take any open position risk with the AMC. So I wanted to see either to come to 1240 or 1250 or 1285. I'm gonna remove it. You might see that my level 2 is not working. I don't know what happened. There's certain problem on IB account. In the pre-market, sometimes it just gets stuck. So I'm looking at the time and sell. Uh, if a time and sell hit 1285, I'm gonna stop out, or I'm gonna take the next partial on 1240, 40ish, 50ish around there. Introduce yourself. I don't know who is there. If you're watching it and you have any question, feel free to ask the question. Okay, it's getting a support around 1265. Let's see what it does. I wanted to see to jumping is stuck on the 1272 now. So instead of 80, I'm gonna take another partial. It's 1275. If it's moved back to 1275.
Order filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
All right, 4 minutes to left to the market start. Market is really weak under the VWAP, uh, and all across the sectors are weak, except the gold is really churning up. And gold is up, S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, oil, gas, all are down. And market is right now pre-market moving back up. I just did a pre-market AMC trade. I entered short on the bear flag on 13.15, added, removed the partial because it's just moving back up, holding on 13 level. The moment it's falling back down, I added into my position partial, and then I closed the position. I don't want to take a risk while the market going to open. Two minutes to left. I wanted to see the JD to move up so then we can short. JD is moving down now. Uh, it's really nice. If you look at the daily, it's really making a nice formation of a bear flag under 67.50. I mean, as right entry should be 68.32, but it is what it is. So those who are on the Skype, can you hear me? Do you guys have any? So for screen, you need to go use the YouTube to see the screen, and then you can hear me on Skype. So screen, go to YouTube. All right. So let's see. Good luck. 30 seconds more. Market is really weak right now. Nasdaq is making a bear flag on a 5-minute chart. First move of Skype on SPY is down to Nasdaq is moving up. Mara is moving up. AMD is moving up. JD is so JD, AMC both are sharply down. Mara moved up, rejected the VWAP. Let's see what it does next. Nasdaq is sharply up. Wow. Nasdaq, the first move is up. SPY is lagging. Let's see that if Mara comes under 1944, we can go short. But it's going to be a risky trade, almost a dollar risk. Uh, let's not take it this. I think this is a risky trade. Uh, it's almost a dollar risk on it. So JD looks good.
For shorting, um, almost 50 cents risk here. I'm gonna go short under 67.40. Oh wow! So look at the Nasdaq. Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Nasdaq and everything is made change the direction. Everything has changed the direction. I think it's going to be a dip buy. Let's see how long it's gonna continue. The green piece. Let's look at the VIPS. It's making a bear flag under 2190.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I made the entry on 2190 with the 10-cent stop loss.
Order filled.
Okay, so my average entry is 2186. I see a big buyer. Okay, it's moving back up now. Doesn't look really promising at this point. If it's go back up to the 22, I'm gonna reduce it. Okay, it's moving now. Good. Okay, 2186, 10 cents in, 20 cents in. Oh man, sharply moving back up right now. It's a really nice bear flag. I'm gonna take my first partial here.
Order partially filled. Order
Since
filled.
market is moving up, I don't want to take a risk. So I took a first partial on 2155. Let's see if we're gonna get the more with another 20-30 cents we can get it. Really nice momentum, very nice bear flag. Uh, it might be consolidating for another move. If it's moved to 21, I think it still has a potential. But given the Nasdaq, look at the Nasdaq candle. I don't want to take a risk, so I will close it.
Order filled.
So I've closed it because look at the Nasdaq and SPY candle. Everything is going bullish right now. And it's the first few minutes, so I don't want to take a risk anymore. Let's find some entry. Let's wait for the market to fail, or if market continues, we look for a bull flag then. Guys, feel free to give me thumbs up if you enjoyed the first trade with the 30 cents. Not bad in the beginning. Okay, so let's look at the Mara now. Mara might be a momentum trade for us. A very nice bullish engulfing of first 5-minute candle. Now let's see what it does. It's holding 200 moving average. SPY is coming down again, tested the VWAP, but the Nasdaq is really bullish at this point. Let's see what Mara does on the VWAP after testing the VWAP. It's really making a nice bull flag. We can consider going long over 2125 with a 30 cent stop loss on the Mara. Uh, just wait for the bull flag to complete. Now it seems like a bull flag is fading. Just wait. It seems very strong. Look at the doji on the Nasdaq as well. Let's see that the Nasdaq fails here or is continuing. SPY has already failed. SPY is already failed. Okay. Now we need to see that whether Nasdaq gonna take everyone up. Look at all the growth stocks are sharply moving up. So uh, I'm closely looking at the Mara right now. Okay. This is a test for the SPY or Nasdaq. Does it gonna fail here or is it gonna continue the momentum? SPY has already failed. Yeah, Andre, because the Nasdaq is really bullish. So maybe all the market stock is gonna make the bullish too. So I'm looking at the JD right now. See, JD was weak, making a bear flag. And let's see that if a market gonna fail, the JD gonna be the first one who's gonna come down. So this is a strong level now on the 67.90 here. Let's see what it does here. Uh, is a smaller bear flag under the VWAP, but is he here's some tails too, so he's getting a support. So we need to see keep an eye if the market fails. So JD is going to go fail too. All right, so JD is coming down. Let's look at the closely what it does. Still 1.5 minutes left to close the minute. And Mara still is a bull case. Is if it's go 22.25, we can go long with a 30-cent risk. It's really nice formation under over the VWAP for JD. Oh, I missed the Mara. I missed the Mara entry. I'm gonna look at it now. I want this 30 seconds to close and then I'm gonna go long. Uh, let this 5 minute close. So then we have a direction of a Nasdaq and QQQ. Okay. Okay, market is showing the weakness. SPY has already failed. Nasdaq is about to fail. So let's look at the JD. If it's JD come under 68, 80, 67, 80.
Order
Okay,
partially filled.
I have a half
Order
entry.
filled.
I'm gonna go more under 67, 80.
Order partially
All
filled.
right, I'm in the trade
Order
right now.
filled.
If it's go over 68, I'm gonna reduce it. It's holding 68. Now it's coming down. A really nice bear flag. Market is coming down too, so we should be confident on this trade.
Order filled.
I've just made a one more ad. It seems to me that there's a nice one. Let me just zoom in here. Look like a nice bear flag, but is holding that level. This doesn't look good. Market is coming down, but this holding this level. Okay, it's holding 68. I'm gonna reduce it if it's gonna move back to 68.05.
Order
Okay, I've
partially
reduced
filled.
it.
Order filled.
Okay, bear flag pattern failed because of the market has a bottoming tail right now. Okay, I'm gonna reduce it further.
Order
Okay, I'm
filled.
out. Look at look at the top. Look at the way the market has made the tail recovered fully. Very nasty. We got the initial move, but then it's just very quickly. I think the Mara is making a bull flag. I'm gonna go long here. I don't know that
Order filled.
I'm long on the Mara.
Order partially filled.
I'm long Mara. I won really 2080. Okay, I want this to hold 2050. It's not holding 2050, moving sharply down. Doesn't look good. Market is really bullish right now. We can leave it. 2080 would be my target. Right now it's not holding 2050 properly. Okay, nice. All right, holding now. Okay, I think it's gonna move back up now. Very nice momentum. Look at the Nasdaq candle. Look at the Nasdaq candle. Look at the AMD, which we're thinking as a bearish. Look at the how quickly moved up because of the market. Come on. Seems like Amara is failing here. I don't gonna give too much room. If it's gonna fail 2040, I'm gonna take a partial. Okay, it's moving now. 2080 is my target. First partial. It's really struggling at this point. Come on, move, push, one more push. Come on, one more push, or I'm gonna take a partial here. If it doesn't hold 2050, I'm gonna reduce it. Come on, it's holding 2050. Nope. Okay, holding 40. Still watching it. Okay, it's making nice. Market is moving up, but this Mara is not doing some much good thing, so I'm gonna reduce it to.
Order filled.
I'm out. I didn't make much profit, only $22 because I don't like the price action. Look at the AMD, the way it moved with the market, but the Mara is showing the weakness at this point. Let's find another good trade right now. I'm watching the PLTR as well. But see, PLTR is also like that when the market show green, it bounce back. When market show red, it's just pulling back down, just like exactly like the uh, like our Mara trade, but look at the AMD. AMD show more resilience now. Even the market is red is holding on the top of the green candle. So maybe we should find an opportunity in the AM in the JD to go long. Right now, only reluctance is making a bull flag, but is on top of the yesterday close. It's really turned into a very bullish. Do you guys looking at anything? JPM short. Let me quickly check JPM. JPM is really making a nice bear flag, but look at the bottoming tails here. I think just wait for now to before you go any of the short because I think it's a trap. Look at the how market is going up and down, searching for the direction. Let's wait a little bit. Let's cool down.
Because see, the market coming down, you feel like, oh, everything is short, and you short then, and then everything is making a bottoming tail, and you're just stuck. Just like I got stuck in JD. Right now, JD looks very strong to me. Maybe we can try long over 69.40.
Order partially filled.
I'm long over
Order filled.
69.40. I wanted to go and cross over 30 cents. This is my second try, so I'm going only half size, 250 shares only. I wanted to see the hold this to 69.50 quickly and move up. Right now, market is also making a bottoming tail. But if it's gonna come to 69.40 again, I'm gonna stop out. I'm not gonna take a risk. Okay, I'm
Order
out.
partially filled. Order
See
filled.
the way it's sharply. I mean, this is so nasty. But look at this, how much I've lost on this trade. I lost $14 on this trade. I don't like the price action at this point. Let the market settle. Look at the VIPS, the one we have shorted now is making it's so bullish right now. Oh, man, this market is crazy. Oh, now look at this again. J JD is moving back up now with the market. I think market is making another bull flag. Nasdaq is really strong. SPY is really weak. No clear direction. I think let's wait before we jump and make another losing trade. Let's wait. So now, see, this is exactly what I was expecting, but unfortunately, let's look at the tiger. The tiger is looking really good. OMD, AMD going without me. Look at the Neo. I think we missed that JD now. Let's look at the Neo. Neo is making a bull flag. Uh, 33.42, 33.20. And the market is stuck right now.
Can you hear me now? Is better? Look at the AMC. It's making a bear flag under the VWAP, under the $13. And 40 cents could be a potential low of the day with the 10-cent risk right now. And look at the Mara too. Look at the Mara on the 5-minute chart. It's breaking down. I'm gonna try one short entry under 1970.
Order partially filled.
I'm gonna
Order
little bit
filled.
entry on 1980 and I'm gonna make another entry on 1970. Let's see what it does. Right now 1980. Okay, squeeze me back again. It's really a nice support here. 1980, 1970. Okay, 2010 is going to be my stop loss. Okay, it's really getting bearish, bullish right now. What happened suddenly? Okay,
Order filled.
2010 is going to be my stop loss if it's crossover. Wow, I'm gonna close to stop out. Okay,
Order filled.
I am stop out again. And this is really choppy market. Look at this shit. Oh, I missed the AMC in the hope of the Mara. Okay, I'm gonna try. It's still in the same range. If it's gonna break 20, I'm gonna try one more time, Mara, but it has to break. AMC, I missed it under 13 entry. Have you guys taken the AMC? AMC and the Mara both are the bear flag. I missed the AMC while I was talking to Mara. Very nice. Look at the AMC. So far, not a any nice good trade yet. Uh, Two chopped out. Market right now is still searching for a direction. Look at this. Look at this. No direction. Any one of you took the AMC? This is a tough market, man. Look at this market. I'm still watching Mara. If it's gonna break the 20, I'm gonna go short one more time.
Order partially filled.
Oh, well, such a
Order
bad
filled.
entry. Such a bad entry. I got it on the uh, on the on the Mara. This time probability is higher that if I get squeezed, I'm gonna squeeze much more harder because got a very bad entry. So far, it looks good.
Order filled.
Right now, my entry price is 19.92. I'm only 5 cents in the money. I want this trade to give me at least $1 up to this level. If it can break and come to 18.20, I want this to break this level. Right now, I'm only 8 cents in the money. It can easily squeeze anytime. I want this to level break this 1972 and come to 1820 level. Right now the market is also breaking, so most likely Mara is gonna break too. Let's find another short entry. Market is breaking, is making a beautiful bear flag, but we don't want to see any bounce from here. If it's gonna see bounce, I'm gonna squeeze back up again. Uh, right now market is sharply coming down.
Order filled.
Come on, come down.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm on the full position on this very volatile Mara. Now really I want to see an 1820 range. Come on, break this. Come on, break this with the momentum. Come on. Come baby. Come on, come on. Come with the momentum. We got this trade. Come on. We need to see the momentum here now. Come on, no squeeze, no reversal. Just come down. Are you with me on this trade with the Mara shot? Come on. 1965. Come on, don't do that. Come on. Hey, don't squeeze back, man. Don't squeeze, don't squeeze. Don't retest the level. Come. To see this is the level what we have created is now underneath the support. I really want this to break this level this time. Come. And the next level we have here, if you look at the 5-minute chart of me, it's the next level is an 1850, 1820 level. And I really want this to come down. Come on, come on, 1920. Come on, come on, come on. First partial, we're going to take it the 1920. Come on, just come down. Market is coming down. No push up. No, no, no. 1950. Hey, come on, come on. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. No pullbacks, man. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. Oh man, this is just pulling back now. Eating all of our profit. 20 cents pullback. 20 cents down. Come on. No pullback. No pullback. Give us a nice momentum. 15 cents left in finishing this candle. Come on. 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 Okay, under the 1950, I just really want to come to see the 1920 level at least in this 5 minutes and now 10 or 10. I don't want to see the market moving back up. Again, look at this. It's pullback. Let me just mark this. Look at this. Look at this. Stupid. I didn't took the partial yet. Come on. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. Market is at the low of the level. Um, This is moving. I don't want to retest to 1970. Oh man, I don't want this to test the 1970 again. So it's retested the 1970. And now let's see what it does. Does it move back up now? Because market is again moving back up. So crazy, man. I should have taken the partial, the way market is behaving. Come on. Okay. Still continue this trend. 1954, 1958, 1957. Market is moving back up. 2 minutes left in this 5 minutes. If you look closely underneath of this 1970 level, so far not bad, but any strong pullback, take the Mara with it, and I don't want to see that. See here, the way it is now moving back up. That's I don't want it because any stronger pullback is just gonna put the Mara back to the green. But this is very weak. Market is coming down. Has a nice formation. Now what is this is a 1.5 minute left in the 5 minutes, and we really need to see what it does. And I really want this to break at the last minute of the 10th minute, 5 minute finishing. So 1 minute left in the 5 minutes. I want this to break. So 35 more seconds. I don't want this to go up or go beyond this level. 1842. Look at this. Okay, so now I'm putting the trigger. If it's moved back up, I'm gonna take the partial. I really want this to come down. 6 second left. Look at this, the way it is making support, and it's because that SPY stuck. It's making a bear flag. Nasdaq is making a bear flag. I'm optimistic that in this 1 minute it's gonna break down. It's gonna make another bear flag. Come on, do that. No testing on top. 1962. Okay, it's moving back up now. 70. 72 retested, my profits are gone. 75 close to closing out. Look at the SPY. Look at this. Look at the Nasdaq and SPY. Look at that. He's enjoying the way the market moves up. 64, 62, 62. Again moving back up 70. Market is keep continuing up. Formation has been done. 7 seconds left. 7 seconds left. And now if it's gonna go up, I'm gonna just take the whatever is come to me. I'm gonna just take off. Okay. Still holding 62, 63, which is not good, right? See, move back immediately, move the 7 cents, 8 cents, and now this is the closing thing. I'm just gonna close now. If it's move up to my break even, I'm just gonna move out. Look at the market. SPY is not really doing anything wrong. I think Nasdaq is just holding. People are buying. Right now, Mara is over it.
Order filled.
I'm out. I don't want to take risk. Uh, this really is very. I mean, it's really a nasty market. Look at again now. Nasdaq is failing again. It's gonna come back down again 1970. I'm gonna take the one more entry.
Order
Okay.
partially filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm in again
Order partially
69.69.
filled.
I don't know because the market is the way it's doing. I closed the previous trade on the break even, but the way it is now, see right now again, it came down, broke the level here, and then moved back up. So now this time is the 15 cents risk right now. If it's gonna go over 1990, I'm gonna stop out. And the way the market is doing is really unrealistic. And I'm gonna just close it now. It seems to me that it's gonna squeeze me.
Order partially filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
Man, this is just a nasty. Okay, leave that, Mara. I think this is not doing anything. Let's find some good entry. Is this is going to be my last entry? I'm slightly red today. I lost my pre-market profit. Look at the Neo right now. Neo is making a bull flag. Neo is a market stock. Came down with the market. The market, I mean, again, this is a market stock. Unless we expect the market to move up, then the Neo will gonna move up too. I don't know. I cannot predict the market direction. I'm looking at the TGT. Oh, I missed it 2 TGT. I wanted to go long 2216. The market is really choppy, Andre. I'm gonna try the long Mara on 20 over 20. Seems to me that it's really making a bullish pattern here.
Order filled. Order partially filled.
I
Order
went long
filled.
on the Mara trade. This is going to be my last trade. If it doesn't gonna work, then I'm just gonna close my day because this is really too much of a hassle. It's too much stress. This is going to be my last trade, Mara long over 20. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Are you guys with me on the Mara trade? I really want this to cross 2230 and then go to 2050. It seems to me that there is no trade. I mean, it still looks good over 2030. It's a breakout trade, but now it's going to be breakout trade and your risk would be 30 cents if you want to join 2030. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna take a first partial on 2060. Let's see what it is. There's a big seller on 6040. I really want that to squeeze a little bit now. Market is going up. SPY is over the coming over the VWAP. Nasdaq is already over the VWAP. Market took the direction right now. I really want to see over the highs, the Mara. Come on, Mara, you can do it. Okay, Mara is going up. Really, come on now. Give me 90 cents. Come on. Last time also 2050 was a resistance. Okay, awesome. Moved. Come on, go. Come on, go, 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 go. This time just break it. Break it. I see the 2060 is a big seller, 131 lots. Um, Last time also my profit was churned because of this pullback. I hope there will be no pullback. I wanted to take. See here. Look at this. Stupid. Immediately push back 20 cents. Holding, holding, holding 2040. Okay, come on. Come on, give me over 20 to 62. It's really struggling. Let me. It's only okay. Last 3 seconds. If it doesn't go this time, I'm just gonna take the partial. Um, Come on, come on. Okay, come on. Stay over 2040, and I'm okay. Stay over 2040. Come on. No, break it, broke it. Come on, holding. No, it's not holding anymore. 38.41, holding it. Awesome. Awesome. Just break it now. I think is this time is gonna break it. It's making a bull flag again over 2050.
Order filled.
I adding a little bit, just a 50 shares added. Now I'm gonna take a partial if it doesn't gonna hold 2050.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
So I got the partial on 2048. I still have a 300 share left. I wanted to see this breaking, man. Break all time high, go over. Come on, market is breaking. What's stopping you, man? Look at this Nasdaq and SPY, all are breaking out. Holding 40. The moment I say it's holding 40 is immediately sell off. Okay, start of the candle. Holding 40. If this time if his bid go over 2040, I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna add to my position if it's go over 2040 the bid. If not, then I'm gonna take the stop at 2030, which is also the 20 moving average. Come on, bid go over 2040, 2034. Look at the Nasdaq, man. Whatever we touch is not move, and look at the JD, shitish JD. Okay, it's holding 2030. I'm gonna
Order
add a
filled.
little bit here. Nope, it's lost the momentum again. 1.5 minute left, holding 2030. I'm
Order
gonna add a
filled.
little bit. If it's break 2030, I'm gonna stop out. Come on, last 2 minutes. 2028, 27. What is my price? 2019. I still have a 10 cents break even margin. Come on, come on. 25. Not holding. I just want to see what he does in the last minute. 28. Holding 20, above 25. Still above that level, the previous resistance. So as far as above previous resistance, I'm okay. It's over 30 right now. Holding it. All right, last 1 minute. Now let me see. If it's over 40, I'm gonna add. Okay,
Order
I'm adding it
partially filled. Order filled.
right now. Okay, I do not have enough room for. If it's gonna sell off 2035, I'm gonna stop out. 36. Come on. No, 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 no. 1 cent only. No. Come on. Come on. Market is moving up, man. What are you doing? 36, 35. Come on. Market is holding. 20 cents. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 35. I'm gonna reduce it if it's gonna go up. 34. I don't want to see 34 or move up. 35. Come on. I'm looking at my eyes are glued to the level 2 right now. This is my last trade, and I think I'm gonna stop out. It's not moving anywhere. So 1 more cent and I'm gonna out. 33 again. Give me 2 cents room. 33. Come on, move, man, move. Below all-time high. 33. High of the day. Sorry, high of the day. 36. 33. 33. Come on. Okay,
Order filled.
I'm out. Man, that was my last day, last trade. I mean, I don't know. This is really annoying. That's really annoying. Look at this now, it's selling off. Oh man, look at this. I'm really upset. So this is my P&L for today. Let me show you my P&L. My P&L for today is this is my P&L. $9 negative. So I'm $9 negative. After all this hard work, I'm $9 negative. And this is just because of the, you know, irresponsible market not giving us the, you know, place to trade. Anyway, I'm gonna you know, take a leave. I need to and let me end the stream right now. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Today just an experiment. I couldn't help. I was also negative $9, and market is just haywire, going up and down, up and down. I started really cool with the green trade on the pre-market, but then I lost everything, and just because the market is really choppy. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream right now. Hope you've enjoyed it. Feel free to give me a thumbs up. I have not yet received any single thumbs up. That's so bad. Means I'm doing whole 1 hour stream for you guys and not even single thumbs up. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream right now.